Welcome to Frost RV. We are Tucson's newest RV dealer and strive to be the best. We have been in the RV industry for over 20 years and we have figured out how to deliver the same unit at a much better value. Check us out 24/7 at www.frostrv.com. Presenting a pre-owned 2009 Forest River Shockwave 39 SASP. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Great home to haul the toys and be comfortable, 2 slides, big kitchen with pantry, seating for the whole family in large living room, private side bath, Walkaround Queen bed, Onan 5500 generator, fuel station, 12 garage, upgraded audio system with power amp and subwoofer, outside speakers, patio awning, 4-door fridge. Grab this coach and head to the trails. Thank you for viewing the Frost RV channel.